In this video, we will demonstrate how to make a registration clearance appointment in Insight. Begin on the Insight login page and select Student as your type of user. Enter your MMC email address and password in order to log in to the student interface. Once you are logged in, click the appointment link on the left-hand side and then Request New Appointment button. Choose the appointment type, Faculty Advisor, and then Registration Clearance. You can filter the available dates and times using the date range or the time range filters, and click Check Availability. The available appointment slots will display on the right. In order to choose the one that fits your schedule, click on the name next to that day and time. And then on the appointment submission form, you can add additional comments if you'd like. Click Submit Request. And then you'll be taken to a dashboard that lists the appointments that you have scheduled. And by clicking on the three dots on the right-hand side next to that day and time, you'll be able to cancel or reschedule that appointment if you need to.